Hi, for this 2 days course on Power Pivot, it is very powerful. We will focus on learning 4 core areas. First is really Power Query, then Power Pivot, Power View, and eventually Power Map. Now, Power Query and Power Pivot mainly is to help you to massage, clean your data, prepare your data in such a way that you can use pivot table to pull together and to do a lot of analysis. Previously, before all this, one of the frustration we have is whenever it comes to huge data and whenever we need to combine data, it's a nightmare in a way. There's a lot of work. But with Excel 2016 now, it's so much simpler. Power Query help you to clean and massage the data a lot more effectively. You're going to do something like what you used previously, but it is a lot more advanced, and also it will help to record what you have done so that in future, should you upload any new file, it will just automatically clean it and run it the way you have done it previously. That's one. When it comes to Power Pivot, again, the same data that you have previously, one of the issue is too big a data and Excel could not cope, or it will make the file so slow. But now with Power Pivot, you can import the data in such a way that it goes into the data model. So you do not have to import the whole file, and yet Excel is able to retrieve the data very quickly. And on top of that, now Power Pivot is able to build relationship between two files. Means what? You do not have to do any VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP anymore. Basically, you build relationship between two reports using this Power Pivot, and with that, you can retrieve both the database using pivot table the same old way without having to do any combination of the file, etc. So it is a lot more convenient. You learn all this during these 2 days. And after that, of course, you'll be given assignment to see how you work from massive data all the way massaging, cleaning, and eventually using Power Pivot to clean it, to store in data model and producing pivot table. Once this is done, there will be 2 more Power Map and Power View. Power Map, what is Power Map? Again, a very powerful feature in 2016 Excel, where now you can do analysis and what if. Try to find new relationship between different data, and from there on understanding your business a lot more better. It is very powerful. It moves away from the normal cell, which is column and row. It is just a blank sheet where you can drag and drop data, chart, etc. And as you drag different chart and data into it, by clicking one chart or data, the other chart and data will reflect accordingly to on what you have clicked. So very powerful for analysis. And finally, of course, Power View, which allow you to showcase your data numbers in a world map format, which is a lot more visual, a lot more impactful, and help to understand the whole presentation a lot more effectively.